Today, I'll show you how to do your Lbank crypto taxes. Hello and welcome back to another wallet integration video. My name is Nelly and today we're talking about Lbank. So this is a video I've done in the past, but some things have changed and it was time for an update video. So I'll tell you a little bit about this exchange, then I'll jump into the integration, and then I'll show you how to get the necessary tax documentation. Lastly, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I'll leave a bunch of different resources down below. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So Lbank was founded in 2015 and it's based out of Hong Kong. Currently, it is a top 20 exchange by trading volume. They have a wide feature set, everything from derivatives, earning options, ETFs, futures, and even NFTs. So there isn't really too many things the platform doesn't have in terms of crypto. And let me know which of these more advanced features you're using down below. But that's enough about them. Let's jump into the integration. First step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, create one. It's completely free and follow along until you're ready for a plan. So anyways, go into your wallet section and click on add wallet. We're gonna type in Lbank and there it is. So set up auto sync and import from file. Let's start with the obviously API. There is a big drawback, unfortunately, from their end with their API. So API returns trades only for 7 days and only main net coins. I'll still show you how to set up the API, but this is quite a significant problem for most users that probably have this platform and have been using it for a while. But yeah, let me show you how to set up the API. So on their platform, in the top right corner underneath your profile, you have My API. From the drop-down menu, you're gonna click on that. And then it's gonna take you to a menu here where you can give it a name, call it Koinly, for example. Read only is the only thing you need to select. Verification method, all this is fine. And now you just need an email confirmation code. So once you've typed that in, there's your key. So copy and paste that here. And there is your secret. So make sure to copy and paste that here and then click secure import. But like I said, this is a very limited API. So let me show you more importantly how to get these CSV files. So this time we go to import from file. And there's a few different things you can do here. So one is you can create your own CSV, which I've made plenty of videos before. It can be a little bit time intensive depending on how many transactions you have, but it's very doable. Another option, which I think is probably the better route, is I will leave a link down below to their support. So just tell them exactly what you need. Hey, I need a transactions file from this date to this date. Can you please provide me with a CSV of all my transactions? And they will probably give you that in the very near future. One thing to keep in mind is that you want your entire transaction history. This is very important because Koinly needs this to calculate your capital gains and losses. So if you've been using Lbank for, let's say, 5 years, then you need your transactions, all your transactions within the last 5 years. So make sure to specify that as well. So once you have that file, whether you received it from their support or you've made one yourself, take it, drag and drop it into Koinly, click import, and there you have it. Once your data is imported, head over into the transactions area and make sure everything is sitting correctly with you. If you've done any staking, make sure that your staking is tagged correctly. So sent to pool, sent from pool transactions. I've made videos on that. Feel free to check those out. And then once you're happy with that, go into the tax reports area where you get one final summary of all your crypto activity throughout the year. So capital gains, income, costs and expenses, and anything else that you might be interested in. So when you're happy with that area, scroll on down and select a tax report that's appropriate for your needs. And we have plenty of different tax documentation. It just depends what region of the world you're in. So for the US, we have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax, both online and desktop versions. And I've also made a TurboTax video, which will probably be very useful to you if you're from the States. And then I have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Switzerland, Australia, and then lastly, Canada, Germany, and other countries. We have the complete tax report, which keep in mind is a document you can print off and give directly to your accountant to combine with your other tax documentation, or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. And then lastly, obviously check your country's rules and regulations because this tax report might be deductible. But that'll do it for today. If you need further assistance, a bunch of different resources down below. We have the Koinly Help Center with countless different crypto tax related articles. We have a forum section where you talk to members of our community as well as our staff. We have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software. And then lastly, a contact section, and you can send us a message directly. We'd love to help you out. But I do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.